Oh, this is some good water. The only reason why I got this water, y'all, is because it was $1.49. It was on sale. Normally it said it was like $2.50, $3. I would not buy it if it was $3 for some water. Or maybe, I don't know. But it's pretty good water. The clips didn't even save onto my computer, and like when I had to fix my camera, it's just all deleted, y'all. So we are missing Wednesday for this week. What's up, everybody? I'm Naysha Nicole if you're new, and if you're not new, hey boo. So in today's vlog, you guys, I'm gonna start this video on what's today, Tuesday, because I took Monday and Sunday off because last week was very hectic for me. Check out my vlog from last week. I'll tag it somewhere in this video. But today is Tuesday, and I'm starting the vlog on a Tuesday, and got your girl going up. Anyways, so yeah, I'm starting this vlog on a Tuesday, and what today's plans are pretty chill. We're gonna go to Whole Foods. Me and my sister are gonna go to Whole Foods because I need to return a package or whatever. I need to return something that I bought from Amazon, so we're gonna go there, and she's gonna come with me. And of course I have my baby boy with me. He's currently taking his nap over here, so we're gonna go ahead and go to Whole Foods, and after that I think I'm gonna clean up the house, y'all. Then I'm gonna do this like arts and crafts kind of thing with my baby, because he's almost 1, so we need to get a handprint and a footprint for him before he's 1 or closer to 1, just so I have that memory, y'all. And that's pretty much the plans for now, but you never know how the day may go. But on a Tuesday, pretty chill Tuesday, and that's what I plan on doing today, so tune in. What's up, you guys? Okay, so I'm in the parking lot of Whole Foods, and I'm about to return my item that I got that I need a full refund on, y'all, because it was not what I was expecting. Y'all, I ended up getting a wig from Amazon, you guys, and I got a wig from Amazon before. Somebody like was wearing this wig, and I was like, where'd you get that wig from, girl? Like, it's hella cute. And she told me Amazon. So I got the wig, and it was cute on me or whatever. So I was like, okay, wigs on Amazon cannot be that bad or whatever. Well, that was like my first wig. And so I seen this other girl really like compliment this wig that I bought just now or whatever, and said it was good or whatever. And I ordered it, and I got, y'all, like a 12 or 14 inch wig, and it's supposed to actually be 20 inches, y'all, and it looked like a 12 or 14 inch, and I'll show y'all a picture. I'll insert it somewhere on here. But yeah, I'm returning it and getting my full refund. So this is new, you guys. This is basically where you return your Amazon return. Never done it like this before, but let's see. Okay, code accepted. Put items in the poly bag. Grab one of these. Put that thing in there. Attach labels. You guys, this is my first time doing this shit. Oh my god. So it says attach label to poly bag. Amazon return. Next. Dropping your return code on your handle. y'all, why did I record yesterday for you guys, which was Wednesday? I did a couple things, and my camera started acting up, and so like the clips didn't even save onto my computer, and like when I had to fix my camera, it's just all deleted, y'all. So we are missing Wednesday for this week, but that's fine. It was just a few things I did, but we're gonna continue the weekly mom vlog, and I'm gonna go into this cafe and study and edit and blase blase. What's up, you guys? So I'm now at my mom's house. I just picked up my baby boy from Martinez's mom's house, and we're just chilling here. I just ate, fed the baby, and yeah, we're just chilling for right now until we go home. Today was pretty productive, or whatever I would say was a productive day, you know. It was. I went to my studio, I lashed some clients, and it was a productive day for me. So now I'm just chilling, you guys. And what time is it? It's like, what, 7? Yeah. And it's like 7 o'clock, you guys. Where I'm at, it's still sunny, still hot, a little breezy, but we're just gonna chill and call it a day. Yeah, y'all, that concludes my Thursday, and I'll see y'all tomorrow. What's up, you guys? So today is Friday morning, and it's currently Friday morning, and me and baby are getting ready to prepare for our day. And so I have a client at 12 o'clock, and so I'm gonna go to my studio and lash my client, and my baby is gonna go to my mom's because she's gonna watch him for me. Yeah. And then after that, we're gonna go to pick up Martinez because he went out of town for work for a few days, and so we're gonna pick him up from the airport. And so yeah, he loves when I record, you guys. So those are the plans for right now. Yeah, we're like kind of running late, not really, but we're gonna get ready right now. So yeah. What's up, you guys? So I'm back in my studio. I dropped my baby off, made sure he ate his breakfast and all that, and myself as well, because baby and Belly was hungry as well. And I'm just currently waiting for my client. We already set up, or I already set up for her, and just preparing for her to come in. She is one of my OG girls as well, and like my clientele right now is pretty like loyal. They're sweet, they're fucking cool, they let me be themselves, and I just want more of that. But yeah, I think this is her right now, but I don't know. What time is it? No, it's not. Right now it's 11:53, and she comes at 12, so just a few more minutes to wait on her. So I'm just vibing, y'all, just preparing, putting on my good music, and you know, preparing for the day, y'all. I don't know if I'm gonna show you guys me lashing. I don't know if you guys want to watch that type of content. I'm gonna pop it in there. If you guys don't care for it, fine, tell me. But if you guys like that type of content where I'm lashing and I'm working and I'm showing you, leave a comment down below. Now I'll show more of it. But yeah, you guys, let me get started to work. Hey y'all, so today's Saturday, y'all, the last day of this weekly vlog, and I've made breakfast for my family and we've been chilling. And then what else have we been doing? Basically just been chilling, you guys. We ate breakfast. It's about 4 o'clock right now, and so I do have a couple things to return back to Amazon. So I'm gonna go back to Whole Foods and return those couple of items, and then I'm gonna drop by my mom's house because I have to pick something up at her house that I forgot about. And then what else? Probably, if we have the time and if it's still like nice outside, we'll probably go swimming, because in our community the pool was like being remodeled or something, y'all. So like the pool has been shut down, and we're in freaking June and it's been hot, you know. So I'm just glad like they finally reopened the pool or whatever. So we might do that tonight. Look at these organic butternut squash. So simple. $6.99 at Whole Foods. Ooh, broccoli stir fry, $4.99. I need to come here and get my stuff so I don't have to chop up nothing. It's pretty good. $4.99. But I definitely wouldn't be paying $9.99 for this stuff. Not the fruit. Oh, organic. That's why. Teriyaki salmon bowl. I can't eat salmon right now. Okay, chicken. Here's the salmon. I would normally get the salmon, but brown rice. This one, I don't know what kind of rice it has, but they are $11.49. So you guys, this is where the chicken or the soup is in general. I was gonna say chicken noodle soup. So they have all kind of soup here. And then this is where the tacos and nachos are. The nacho taco bar. And they just have it to where you could like buy your own stuff or get your own stuff. So you guys, I'm probably gonna get something like a little snack or something before I go back home and just eat it in my car, so like I don't have to share. But I normally get like something over here where the real food is. I'm gonna show you guys. Pretty good. I can't really eat fish, obviously, you know, preggers over here, but sometimes I just get a little something over here. So rice, oh excuse me, chicken, what is this? Beef lasagna. It's like an Italian night. This is pork. So yeah, I usually get some stuff over here, you guys. Mainly on the other side though. But I'll show you guys what I get in the car once I start eating it. Look at these cactus. This one is... Just got back from Whole Foods and dropping my stuff off. As you guys can see, I like also looked around. I haven't looked around at Whole Foods for a minute, and they got some good stuff, so I might just come back and shop a little bit. I don't know, but I did get some nachos instead of like the norm. I normally get like the chicken, the rice, the potatoes, but they didn't have no good hot food, so I just went for the nachos, y'all. You can never go wrong with nachos. And I showed y'all this clip, but let me show y'all right now. Okay, so I'm trying to angle you guys to where you can see and like nothing's blocking your way, but I have nothing to really place y'all on. So I got this water, just water, because I need to stay hydrated. It's hot, it's summer, and I'm pregnant, so yeah. So then I got my nachos, you guys. Look at that. Oh, you can't really see, but I showed y'all a clip. It looks fire, and I'm about to try it. if you're a mom and you're watching this, do you ever go buy food for yourself and then eat it in the car so you don't have to share with your your man or your kids? Because I do that a couple of times, and I'm about to do that right now. So oh, this is some good water. The only reason why I got this water, y'all, is because it was $1.49. It was on sale. Normally it said it was like $2.50, $3. I would not buy it if it was $3 for some water. Or maybe, I don't know. But it's pretty good water. So you guys, I demolished those nachos. There's a couple left, but you know, I ate them on the way home. And I'm in front of my house right now. So we're gonna go back in the house. The sun went down, you guys, so I don't know if we're gonna go in the pool or not, or what's gonna happen. But if we don't, then that probably concludes the day for me. And if so, thank you guys for watching this video. Hopefully this week was enjoyable for you to watch, and hopefully you tune in for next week, y'all. Comment down below and let me know what other videos you would like to see from me. If you haven't already, subscribe, like, and always turn on your post notifications so you know every time I post a new video. And thanks for watching. Bye.